राज्य है यहाँ के 100% घरों में नल से जल पहुंच रहा है।
This is what the government has to say. However, many localities of Goa have been reeling from a shortage of water supply for more than 20 years. Amidst exponential tourism growth and the population of tourists regularly surpassing the population of Goans, the state needs every drop of water available. Unsuspecting people living in the rural villages are taking the brunt. Several villages are still reeling under acute water shortage. Herald visited the Mazodda, Utodda, Kalata villages. People here have been suffering water shortage for 2 decades. The problem has worsened in the last 4 years.
After problem चड झाले. पहिले जितलो नाशिल्लो. आणि एक सकाळी उठून आम्ही 4 वाजता उदक भरतात. So that tap for this thing is we don't get flow. For one bucket say 5 liters. 5 liters of water एक watt. Okay. And 4 to 5. You see, we can't sleep also, no. So we have to be awake for such things. Water is very essential. उदक ना जाल्यार आमी बेगीच म्हणटा. जायना.
ट्राय केल्ली केन्ना इंजिनियराक सांगपाक आनी कितें अशें टू रिजॉल्व दिस इश्यू अशें.
Yeah, but then they said तुम्ही pipe change करून सांगता. Why we will change the pipe when we were getting water? उदक मेळटालें न्हू. आतां पळया 8 दीस फाटीं उदक सारकें ड्राय जालें टॅप्स. When we complain, when the press came with it, बारीक तरी उदक सोडटाले. हे कित्याक? I agree, we have to change the pipe. But now why the water is coming, it is fine. 5 days, 6 days, dry taps. I'm sure they have divert केला.
टॅपिंग चड जाला,
diversion चड केला की आमकां कळटा न्हू तें.
Nearly about 200 houses around this area, at least more than 90 households have signed a document that has been given to the water supply department to restore the pressure of the pipelines that supply water here. But nearly about 200 houses are directly affected. It's a very sad scene, a rare scene in today's time where people have to wake up at 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock in the morning and fill water for their basic daily needs. It's affecting the lives and livelihoods of so many elders and young also who have to then proceed for work. There are so many problems. Since water is the main essential commodity, so many problems get associated if there is less supply of water. For this area specifically, the pressure is very low, and the people say that the only solution could be immediate solution could be just releasing of proper pressure to these areas, which is not happening. We will talk to more people and try to understand what kind of problems they are facing and what can be the realistic solution to this problem that Mazodda, Utodda, Kalata, these villages around these localities face. Senior citizens residing in the village have been forced to buy drinking water daily. Their complaints have fallen on deaf ears.
Pressure na काय ना उदक पहिले लहान 3 कनेक्शन आसले. सो हे मुखार येवपा उदक येवपा या टी सो प्रॉब्लेम जाता पहिले. आमचे समजताले पहिले ते पहिले. पण आता बघायला सगळ्यांक उदक येना जालें कशें जालें. उदक केन्ना आसको येना. मातशें पहिले येना उदक ते प्रेशराचे मातशें येता. मागीर परत 1 मिनिट सुमार मागीर गेलें वयता.
पण कितलो तेंप जालो प्रॉब्लेम आसा म्हणटा तूं?
प्रॉब्लेम जाला जायत वर्सां जालें आमकां. उदक ना जाल्यार आमी तर उदक येना आमी बाटल्या वतना पिताय. सो आरोपा तर आमी बोर वेलाचे हय न्ही ते उदक आमी बाटल्या वता आमी 2 दिसां एक बाटली दाखयता.
राती सकाळी कितें जाता सकाळ रातीको एक सकाळ वयता. आतां खबर आहा आनी एक्स्ट्रा सारकें जाय तितून तेंपू सारकें आसना. हांव गेल त्या दिसा 15 दीस सारकें उदक ना सारकें उदक ना सामकें सारकें बोना चड येता तेन्ना थोडें चोटा आनी मागीर बंद जाता.
आनी मागीर पिवपाक उदक कितें करता तुमी?
पिवपाक मागीर कितें करतली केन्ना एक फावट थोडे एकटें भोवन दवरता थोडेशें अशें करून पिवपाकूच आनी ना जाल्यार मागीर गरज जाल्यार टांकीत चलया पिता उदक.
Local punch Charlotte Fernandez has taken up for the cause. She said that the government should understand the ground reality and stop boasting. What have you observed all these years? Meaning, water problem is a very big problem.
Even like prior to my term also, there is people have been telling that it's going on for a very long time. They wanted to even have a water tank put up. I think there is a resolution also, but it is not being implemented. Only resolutions, there is no,
there's no point in
of that. You need to implement. So now see, I told you, we made this complaint and all to the authorities. But again, it is just paper. Nobody is looking into it.
Right. Resolution is very is not coming very soon.
No.
But the problem has been there for 20 years is what I am hearing. What do you think? Is it a successive failure of every panchayat, every authority, every engineer?
It is. No, if it is like for such a long time, and if the water issue is not addressed and it is still ongoing, then it is a total failure.
Right.
And in fact, when they said that other project also is coming, it's going to take off and all, and there will be water. But again, that's also a failure.
Right. Now since your discussions with the engineers and all, could you tell us what happened after that? Meaning, after the first coverage by Herald, probably something may have...
No, see, I'm really very thankful to Herald. Why? Because you all took it up, and I wanted that. I wanted you all to highlight it and all. After that, see, there are some houses where the water is there, the supply is there. But again, you heard that lady. She said, I am thankful at least there is some water.
Right.
Because she can fill one bucket. But that is not acceptable. One bucket.
It is also very surprising that some houses are buying water to consume.
Yes, it's very sad.
In today's age, it's very surprising. But
very surprised, very sad. It's very sad, and that is what I'm saying. You really feel so. It really touches your heart. Like you can't do something, and even when you are telling the authorities, it is all falling on deaf ears. So, but I'm thankful. I'm really honest, and people also are thankful that we all are taking it up. I mean, what is the use of authorities and every time you have to go to the press?
Every time you have to go to the media, then there is somebody who's not doing his duty properly. That's what. We have also been trying to assess the entire this about since the government says that there is Har Ghar Jal, they have reached the saturation. What do you have to say about that? Our observation is basically there may be Har Ghar Nal, but Jal is a thing about pressure is what we think. What do you have to? What is your observation about that? Is what I was.
No, see now you saw the ground reality. You heard the people, and there is no water. So again, that is a failure. So government has to also take a report of the ground reality, what is happening. It's not just like a propaganda. You say that, we want water to every household, but you need to see that it is really implemented and there is water supply. Like I have informed the authorities, I have informed also the minister that there is no water supply, look into it, but nothing has been done about it.
Next stop was Chikolna Bogmalo village. Here, a villager on an average gets hardly 1 or 2 hours of water supply. The shortage may be attributed to the topography of the village. Overhead, underground, in the front yard, in the backyards. Houses in Bogmalo cannot survive without tanks. Water pumps installed on wells are common sights. No will to resolve their issue for the last several years, the locals say. Deputy Sarpanch Lorena Fernandez is however hopeful. She says that they are close to reaching a solution soon. Listen in.
आता तसे रेग्युलर उदक येना अशी कंप्लेंट आसा लोकांची.
रेग्युलर येना म्हणजे एज ऑफ नाव अजून कंप्लेंट कोणी ना. द प्रेशर इज लो. इट्स नॉट दॅट वॉटर इज नॉट कमिंग. वॉटर इज कमिंग, प्रेशर इज लो. मेन सोसाकूच तर उदक ना. प्रेशर तो लेस हा. हाउ यू एक्सपेक्ट द हाउसेस टू गेट वॉटर, स्पेशली द हाउसेस विच आर ऑन अ हाय लेवल. उदक चडना. लो लेवलाचेर उदक वयता बिकॉज इन द ग्राउंड लेवलाचेर हा तांकां उदक मेळटा कितले सोडटा पळय ते. डिपार्टमेंटान जायते हें करून एक सोल्युशन काडलें आमकां. लायक एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डे पंपिंग करून उदक आमकां डायरेक्ट दिवपाक लागलें. पंपिंगाचेर इज सॉल्व द इश्यूज ऑफ द पीपल. पूण कितें नॉट ऑन द हाय लेवलाचेर आहा प्रेशर ना. प्रेशर तर मेळलो एवरीबडी वूड हॅव बीन सॅटिस्फायड. प्रेशर ना. अदरवायज उदकाची इश्यू एज ऑफ नाव जायतो सॉल्व जाल्लो आहा.
इट सो हॅपन्स दॅट एवरी टायम अशें उदकाचो बी बेसीक इश्यू आसता तेन्ना पंचायतीक लोक हे करतात, ब्लेम करतात. हाऊ डू यू डिफेंड दॅट?
आमकां पंचायत घेवप कोत्ताली. सी इट इज नॉट द पंचायत फॉल्ट एंड इट इज नॉट दॅट वी आर सिटींग जस्ट डुईंग नथींग. आमी वचून PWD कडून जायते फावटी आमी रिक्वेस्ट करताली. वी डीड नॉट गो विथ अ प्रोटेस्ट एज सच बट वी वेंट विथ द रिक्वेस्ट. रिक्वेस्टाक दोग लोकलांक घेवन गेली आमी, पंच मेंबर्स गेली. एवरी डे वी यूज्ड टू कॉल अप द JE ऑर कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी, JE जावं EA जावं कोणूय जावं आमी फोन मारताले. बट समटायम्स एक आन्सर आमकां एक सकाळ मेवतालोच. JE एक सांगत जाले AE एक सांगतालो, मे बी द टेक्निकल पर्सन कितें आहा तो दुसरो सांगतालो. बट स्पेसिफायड कहो आमकां मेवनाहलो. बट बोंबाल कितें जातालें मेन दाबोलेर सांते सायडीन तो फ्लो जाता. दाबोलेर तर तुका तर कितें पायप फुटला नॅचरली न्हू, सगळ्याकूच बंद करून पडटा उदक. उदक बंद केल्या बरोबर तेंचे रेक्टिफाय कशें जातलें. पायप तो तिजे लायन तो थिंगा चड फुटल्या, ब्लास्ट जाल्लो आहा, कितें जाल्लो आहा, ती पायप तो तेंका सारकी करपाक जाय. सगळीच पायप बंद करून पडले. सो 1-2-3 दीस उदक ना. मेंटेनन्स सेरावलीम डॅमा मेंटेनन्स चल्ले 3 दीस उदक ना. मागीर 3 दिसांनी पंपिंग कोत्ता म्हळ्यार आनी 24 hours जाय तुका. मागीर उदक आमकां पावता म्हळ्यार आनी 1 दीस गेलो. सो ऑल दॅट इज कॅल्क्युलेटिंग. नो उदक मीन्स वॉट दॅट एवरीथिंग इज कॅल्क्युलेटिंग इनटू 2 to 3 days.
That gap between was
that gap is calculated. But why it is that gap is not the fault of me and you. आमचो फॉल्ट न्हू तो. बट सेरावलीम डॅमाचेर कितें मेंटेनन्स चलता 3 दिसांक तेणे नोटीस काडली.
पंचायतीक काय करपा मेळना.
2 दीस उदक अशें न्हू की. बट आमी एक रिलॅक्सेशन दिता. PWD आहा जाल्यार आमकां टँकर सप्लाय करता. वी फ्रॉम आवर सायड ऑल्सो वी ट्राय. मोस्ट ऑफ द हावजीस आर ऑन द वेल्स आय एम कॉलिंग. दे आर सर्वायविंग ऑन दोज वेल्स. आनी कोणाकडे बोरवेल स्पेशली इन द JNC वेरा एरिया एंड ऑल दे हैव गॉट द लीगल बोरवेल्स.
Okay. But now since म्हणजे आता how close are you for resolution of this problem?
6 months.
Okay.
Fingers crossed for 6 months, but at the most maybe before 6 months.
At Headland, Sada, Vasco, matters are even worse. 24/7 supply of water is a long pipe dream for the people, and by now Sadekars have aligned their lives with the water scarcity. It is a foregone conclusion among the locals that barrels and tanks are here to stay. Water storage in tanks has in the past resulted in outbreaks of vector-borne diseases, but there is no resolution for numerous years. Morle village in Sattari is also facing the same problem. Taps everywhere, but no regular water in 3 villages.
मोर्ले कॉलनीत आमचे 3 गांव आसात आणि ह्या 3 गांवांक कितलीशीच वर्सां सावन एक प्रश्न भेडसावतालो तो म्हळ्यार उदकाचो. जे उदक आमकां रेगुलर नासलें, जवळ जवळ 1 वर आसतालें उदक. आतां म्हाका दिसता की तो जो प्रश्न आसलो वा ते प्रॉब्लेम आसले ते सॉल्व जावपाचे वाटेर आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता. कित्याक तर हांगासर आतां आमचे कॉलनीत वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचे जे काम आसा ते सुरू आसा आनी हेजो पॉझिटिव्ह आमकां रिजल्ट मेळटलो अशें म्हाका दिसता. जे आमी इतली वर्सां भोगताले उदका खातीर जे प्रॉब्लेम आसले, उदक आमकां मेळनासलें, ते आतां हेजे फुडें मेळटलें अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी जे आमचे स्थानीक जे आमदार आसात तांच्यांनी हो जो प्रकल्प हांगासर हाडला तो म्हाका दिसता आमच्या लोकां खातीर खूब उपयोगी ठरतलो.
Sangay Taluka houses the Selauli dam that supplies water to lakhs of people. However, Kasti village in the same taluka faces water shortage due to extremely low pressure. There is no water sometimes for 3 to 4 days.
हे कष्टी गांव जो आसा आमकां सावर्डे मतदारसंघा पडटा आनी सांगे तालुक्या पडटा. म्हणटकीर हे कष्टी गांवाक उदकाची समस्या इतली आसा की आमकां हांगसर टायमार उदक म्हणटा तें मेळना. केन्ना उदक ना जाल्यार 3 दीस 4 दीस उदक आसना. फाटली 3 दीस उदक सारकें नासलें. आयज सुद्दां जें उदक येयलां हें उदक गेलें. आमगे उदक ना म्हणून आमी लोकांनी खंय तरी घरा कडेन ज्यो टाकी ज्यो दवरल्या ह्यो टाकी सुद्दां सारकी बनना. कित्याक म्हळ्यार उदका प्रेशर भरपूर कमी आसता. हेजें मेन कारण म्हळ्यार सांग्यार साकून जें उदक जें आमकां येयलां हें सांग्यार साकून मेन पायपलायन जी येयल्या ही मेन पायपलायन खंय डिवायड केले कडेन आसा. म्हळ्यार एक पायपलायनी उदक आमडय तशेंच कश्टी हे 2 गांवां सोडले कडेन आसा. ताका लागून आमगे कश्टी जी कुयणामळ जी हांगसर टाकी जी आसा हे टाकयांक उदक कांयच पडना, म्हळ्यार भरपूर लो प्रेशर पडटा. ताका लागून कश्टीमळ ही जी कश्टीमळा वयली टाकी जी आसा हे टाकयांक उदक कांय पडना आनी ताका लागून प्रॉब्लेम असो जाला की हे टाकी जी आसा हे टाकयेच्यान कितें करता की कश्टीमळ, चानीमळ, कश्टी, अर्जुना खणकुळे, कुयणामळ हे सगळे गांवांक एक टाकयेच्यान उदक सोडटा आनी हे टाकयेक उदक जाय तशें भरले ना कारणान हे सगळे गांवांक उदक जें आसा हें उदक पावना. आतां आमकां कश्टी आतां सकाळीं मातशें उदक येयल्लें ते गेले उदळ गेले आमी ज्यो टाकी ज्यो आसा ह्यो सुद्दां सारकी भरोना. म्हणटकीर आमी लोकांनी रावपाचें कशें? फाटल्या दिसांनी 3 दीस उदक ना तेन्ना आमी अक्षरशः हाल जाले. घरांक कोण तरी जाणटेली आसता, भुरगीं आसता, हेंकां खंय तरी उदकाची गरज आसा. हें उदक नासन कशें रावपाचें हेजेर खंय तरी सरकारान विचार करपाची गरज आसा. आनीक सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार आमकां कश्टी साकून सांगे जें आसा हें आमगे सांग्या वयलें PWD ऑफीस जें आसलें हें आमी पयलीं मेन ऑफीस आसलें आनी 5 मिनटाची वाट आमकां. पूण आमचो कश्टी गांव हो काले पंचायती पडले कारणान सावर्डे मतदारसंघ जो आसा हो सावर्डे मतदार आमगे पडले कारणान आमकां मेन ऑफीस जें आसा आतां धारबांदोडा काडून दिले कडेन आसा, धारबांदोडा शिफ्ट केले कडेन आसा. ताका लागून कितें जालां आतां की कश्टीच्यान आतां कालीच्यान धारबांदोडा वयतले जाल्यार पावणे वर लागता आनी हांगसरल्यान सोय कांयच ना वयतले म्हणल्यार. म्हणटकीर सरकारान हें कितें केलें तें कांय कळना घुसपागोंदळ. मेन म्हणल्यार सांग्यार साकून जें उदक जें सप्लाय जें जाता हें सांग्यार जें ऑफीस जें आसा मामदार ऑफीस जें आसा थंगसर जे एक चेंबर्स आसा हे चेंबराच्यान मातशें आमकां उदक जें सोडटा हें खंय तरी चेंबर मातसो तो वाडोवचो, उदका प्रेशर जो आसा हो वाडोवचो आनी लोकांची समस्या जी आसा ही खंय तरी सोडची अशें हांव CMाक रिक्वेस्ट करतां.
Madai River, which is the lifeline of the state, is being diverted bit by Karnataka. After requesting for decades, Goa has started getting water from Tilari Dam. However, it is too little and too late for the Goans, as the need for water has crossed all bounds.
Madai is the lifeline for the small state of Goa. This 111-kilometer long river presently facing the threat of damming and diversion from Karnataka. Karnataka, because of the award that was given in 2018 by Madai Water Dispute Tribunal, eligible for diverting 1.72 TMC feet of water through Kalsa Bhandura project. So presently Karnataka is aiming to dam and divert Kalsa, Altara, Sulla nalas that are naturally coming in the direction of Goa. If the Goan unitedly give the tough fight to the conspiracy that is hedged by the Karnataka, then only we will going to get the justice. Otherwise, in coming days, the future and the present of the river Madai and its tributary is danger.
While a minister in Goa proposed to export water to the Middle East in exchange of foreign remittance, our water supply system has failed to export water to its own villages efficiently. On the contrary, the rivers and freshwater sources of Goa are under threat of being lost forever. People are being forced to pay for water. The future is here. In absence of honest efforts for betterment, future of Goa is headed into the abyss.
वो राज्य है जहाँ के 100% घरों में नल से जल पहुंच रहा है।